Hi guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we will try to learn how to create environment variables. So this is my Kali virtual machine, and uh, this is Z shell. So if you want to check what shell is this, we can simply type echo and shell. You can see it's a Z shell, and so it's quite forward in Linux terminal. So we can try to type export, and this will show all the environment variables we have created. And if you want to create a shell, we can do export, uh, maybe address equal to 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 10, and enter. So now we can go and see to the environment variables and see there is an address variable which is already added. So when we type echo shell to check the what kind of shell we are using, there should be some kind of a environment variable for shell as well, where you can see this here, shell user bin sh. So in the same way we can create any number of environment variables, and this makes it easier for you when you are doing pen testing or any bug bounty. Instead of you typing the IP address every time, you can simply export it to the variable and then simply use that. So I'll just ping it. I don't know if that is up or not. No, this is not up, so it just hangs there, and 100% packet loss. Yep. So this is how you create environment variables. Thanks for watching.